The 2025 Cadillac CTS-V Blackwing has officially arrived, and it's rewriting the rules for what a modern American performance sedan can be. At Car Trend, we've reviewed countless muscle cars, luxury vehicles, and high-performance machines, but there's something different about this one. The Blackwing name isn't just a badge, it's a declaration of Cadillac's commitment to ultimate performance, precision, and engineering dominance. And for 2025, the CTS-V Blackwing is not just a return to form, it's a statement that Cadillac still knows how to build one hell of a driver's car. Let's start with what really matters under the hood. Powering the 2025 CTS-V Blackwing is a monstrous 6.2-liter supercharged V8 that produces an astonishing 668 horsepower and 659 pound-feet of torque. That's not just fast, it's world-class speed wrapped in an aggressive, yet elegant four-door body. This beast roars to life with a deep, thunderous exhaust note that feels like pure adrenaline. And yes, for those purists out there, Cadillac is still offering a 6-speed manual transmission. You heard that right. In an era of disappearing stick shifts, the CTS-V Blackwing lets you row your own gears, making every drive an event. Performance numbers. Try 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds when equipped with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Top speed. North of 200 miles per hour. This isn't just American muscle, this is Cadillac taking on the likes of BMW's M5 and Mercedes-AMG E63 with confidence and raw power. The chassis has been fine-tuned using lessons from the track, and the magnetic ride control system ensures that this car can go from a comfortable cruiser to a corner-carving monster in an instant. But the 2025 CTS-V Blackwing isn't just about straight-line speed. Cadillac has put in the work to ensure it handles like a sports car. The steering is razor-sharp and communicative, giving you a real connection to the road. Brembo brakes come standard, delivering incredible stopping power with fade-free performance even after multiple high-speed runs. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires wrap around lightweight forged aluminium wheels, giving this machine grip for days. The exterior design has also evolved for 2025. This is still a CTS at heart, but the Blackwing takes the styling to a new level. With a wider, more aggressive front grille, larger air intakes, functional front splitter, side skirts, and an available carbon fiber package, this car screams performance without being overdone. From every angle, it's clear that this is a serious machine. The stance is lower, the lines are sharper, and the overall look is more refined and dangerous at the same time. Inside, the cabin is where luxury meets performance. High-quality materials are everywhere: hand-stitched leather, genuine carbon fiber, suede microfiber. The front seats are heavily bolstered performance buckets, heated and ventilated, with optional massage functions. Cadillac's 12-inch digital instrument cluster can be customized to display track telemetry, G-forces, tire pressures, and more. A heads-up display keeps you informed without taking your eyes off the road. The 2025 CTS-V Blackwing also comes loaded with tech. You get a 16-speaker AKG premium audio system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a performance data recorder, and the latest version of Cadillac's infotainment system on a crisp touchscreen. Everything feels responsive and modern, giving you luxury and tech without distractions. Safety doesn't take a backseat either. The CTS-V Blackwing is equipped with a suite of driver assistance features including lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, forward collision alert, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. It's a car that goes fast but also looks out for you in everyday driving. Another unique feature of the CTS-V Blackwing is its track-ready capability straight from the factory. There's an available carbon ceramic brake package that not only saves unsprung weight but also gives consistent braking performance even during the harshest track days. An integrated performance traction management system lets you fine-tune settings for weather, sport, track, and even launch control. Whether you are at the drag strip, on a winding canyon road, or commuting through the city, this car adapts to your needs. Cadillac has gone all in with this car, and you can feel it in every detail. The CTS-V Blackwing isn't just a performance car, it's a representation of Cadillac's engineering heritage and their desire to dominate the high-performance sedan world once again. It's a love letter to enthusiasts. And it may very well be one of the last of its kind. With increasing pressure from electrification and tightening emissions regulations, a supercharged V8, rear-wheel drive American sedan with a manual transmission might not survive another generation. That's what makes the 2025 model so special. It's a celebration of combustion. A final roar of performance before the industry shifts direction. At Car Trend, we believe the 2025 Cadillac CTS-V Blackwing is more than just a car, it's a moment. A moment where old-school power meets new-school tech. A moment where luxury and performance collide in perfect harmony. A moment that won't come around again. Whether you're a die-hard Cadillac fan or someone looking for a proper four-door muscle car that can smoke just about anything on the road, the CTS-V Blackwing deserves your attention. It's bold, it's fast, it's unapologetically American. And for 2025, it's better than ever. So if you're thinking about getting behind the wheel of something that feels alive, that demands your attention, and rewards you with every shift, every corner, and every rev, the CTS-V Blackwing might just be the ultimate sedan you've been waiting for. Don't forget to subscribe to Car Trend for more deep dive reviews, high-performance car features, and everything you need to stay updated in the automotive world. We've got more coming soon, but for now, the CTS-V Blackwing owns the spotlight and it absolutely deserves it.